Security has become an increasingly important issue. Mobile security involves protecting the data and privacy of users on their mobile devices. This includes measures such as encryption, biometric authentication, and secure app development. Mobile security is crucial for protecting sensitive information, such as banking and personal data, from theft and cyber attacks. Mobile payments. Mobile payments have become increasingly popular in recent years, thanks to the convenience and security they offer. Mobile payment systems, such as Apple Pay and Google Pay, allow users to make payments using their mobile devices instead of cash or credit cards. Mobile payments are not only convenient and secure, but they also allow for contactless transactions, which has become more important during the COVID-19 pandemic. Mobile gaming. Mobile gaming has become a huge industry, with millions of people playing games on their smartphones and tablets. Mobile games range from simple puzzle games to complex multiplayer games, and have become a major source of entertainment for people all over the world. The development of mobile gaming has also led to the growth of mobile esports, where players compete in mobile games for prizes and recognition. Mobile health. Mobile health, or mHealth, involves the use of mobile devices to improve health outcomes and provide healthcare services. This includes technologies such as health tracking apps, telemedicine, and remote patient monitoring. Mobile health has the potential to improve access to healthcare services, reduce healthcare costs, and improve patient outcomes. Mobile advertising. Mobile advertising has become a major industry, with businesses using mobile devices to reach their target audience. Mobile advertising includes various forms, such as in-app ads, mobile video ads, and mobile search ads. Mobile advertising is a key part of mobile monetization, allowing developers and publishers to generate revenue from their apps and content. Mobile commerce. Mobile commerce, or m-commerce, involves the use of mobile devices to buy and sell goods and services. This includes technologies such as mobile shopping apps, mobile wallets, and mobile point-of-sale systems. Mobile commerce has become increasingly popular in recent years, with more and more people using their mobile devices to make purchases. Mobile artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, has become increasingly important in mobile devices, with the development of mobile AI capabilities. Mobile AI involves the use of machine learning algorithms and computer vision technologies to enhance the capabilities of mobile devices. This includes features such as facial recognition, voice assistance, and image recognition. Mobile AI has the potential to improve the efficiency and accuracy of mobile devices, allowing for more personalized and intelligent experiences. Mobile augmented reality.